What if I told you some YouTube channels are pulling in millions of views with videos so simple? No face, no fancy editing, no expensive setup. Sounds kind of crazy, but it's real and it's happening right now. In just 5 minutes, I'm going to break down 5 powerful faceless channel ideas along with real examples, their growth numbers, why they work, and how you can start or pivot into them. So if you still think you need high-end production, crazy skills, or years of experience to grow on YouTube, this video might completely change your mind. Make sure you stick till the end because these ideas are not just easy, they're extremely scalable if you play them right. Let's start with one of the simplest but most effective formats. There's a channel called Easy, actually. This channel crossed 1 million subscribers with just around 23 videos, and one of its popular videos has 9 million plus views. Now, naturally, you'd expect high-level animation or advanced editing behind that growth, but when you actually watch the videos, it's the complete opposite. You'll see a plain black or simple background, clean, minimal text, and a small stick figure character throughout the video. That's it. And you can literally create that character using something as basic as a pen tool or even AI. The reason this works is actually pretty interesting. Today's social media is overloaded with fast-paced, visually intense content. It overwhelms the brain. But these minimalist videos follow a less is more approach. They feel calm, easy to follow, and the information becomes easier to process. That's why viewers stick longer. Videos of this channel generally revolve around self-improvement, lifestyle, education, and so on. But you can apply this format to almost any niche, even English learning, science, or YouTube growth. Now let's talk about a format that's trending hard right now. A perfect example is Everything Professor. This channel gained 300,000 plus subscribers with just around 49 videos, and all of its videos follow a very specific structure. Instead of covering one small topic, they cover everything related to a bigger topic. For example, every drug and its effects explained, every way to get rich explained, or every type of humor explained. So instead of making multiple videos, you create one complete breakdown. That's it. And people love this format because it saves time and removes confusion. Now here's the best part. This format works in almost every niche. You can go broad, finance, psychology, and history, etc. Or you can niche down. For example, Foodmark uses the exact same format, but only for food-related topics. Production is also very simple. Generate ideas and structure using AI. Use images, icons, or clip art. Add a basic voiceover, and you're good to go. The biggest advantage? You'll never run out of video ideas. Now this is solving a very real problem. Everyone knows reading books is valuable, but most people either don't have time or don't know which book to pick. That's where book summary channels come in. Channels like Audiobook One, Reader's Book Club, Bookpedia are built around this exact concept. They take full books and extract the key ideas into 30 to 40-minute summaries. So instead of spending hours reading, viewers get the value quickly. And today, creating this content is easier than ever. You can use AI to summarize, rewrite it in your own words, and then turn it into an engaging script. Editing is minimal. In many cases, just the book cover, light motion or text, and that's enough. Though the niche is in high RPM already, still there's an extra benefit. You can add affiliate links for the books in your description and generate additional income. If you're getting value from this so far, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I break down strategies like this in a way that's actually practical, so you can apply them right away. This is easily one of the simplest ideas on this list. Take QuizCake. They've reached 200,000 plus subscribers with around 100 videos, and their content? Super simple quizzes like Guess the Country, Find the Odd One Out, Guess the Correct Logo. These videos perform well because they're interactive. People don't just watch, they engage. And here's the best part. Once you create one template in your editor, you can reuse it again and again. Just replace questions, images, and voiceover. You can even upload multiple videos daily. To make it more engaging, add levels, assign points, and give hints. And ask viewers to comment their score. That boosts engagement heavily. YouTube has already a massive yet developed audience for this niche, and some of the channels have millions of subscribers. Finally, let's talk about one of the most popular niches, self-improvement. Even though it's crowded, it's still growing fast. Channels like Reborn Mindset, approximately 200,000 subscribers with approximately 27 videos. Speak Sarab, approximately 200,000 subscribers with approximately 56 videos. Chad Sensei, approximately 100,000 subscribers recently. All started around a year ago, which clearly shows how fast growth is possible. But there's one important thing here. You can't just repeat generic advice. That's already everywhere. If you want to stand out, do proper research, learn from experts, add real value. Topics can include communication skills, confidence, fitness or psychology, etc. For voiceover, your own voice is best, or use AI. Visuals can be simple, stock clips, movie footage, basic animations, but again, the script is the most important part. So now you've got 5 powerful faceless channel ideas, backed with real examples and real growth numbers. Now the question is, which one are you planning to start? I'll create a separate, in-depth video covering how to start, monetize, and scale it from scratch to pro based on the idea that gets the most comments. So drop your pick below. I'm watching. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.